Medical marijuana is now legal, of course, in Florida, just like in several other states. But while our lawmakers are still working out all the details, some are already looking to cash in on the rise of the marijuana business. Joining us today is our financial expert, Joe Bert. Joe, always good to have you here.
Good morning, Bob.
We have medical marijuana, but there are other states that have recreational marijuana. Is the grass greener in those states?
Well, there's 28 states that have medical marijuana and 7 so far that have what we call recreational marijuana. The ability to invest in medical marijuana has been around for a while. Pharmaceutical companies have been offering this as any other drug, and when you invest in those kinds of companies, you're investing in pharmaceutical companies and so forth. But the real opportunity is going to be in what's probably going to be the recreational marijuana side.
Okay, but there's only a handful of those, like 7 or 8 states that have that.
Right.
And have they got it all figured out, or I think you call it the Wild West?
Yeah, right now trying to invest in the recreational marijuana side is in fact the Wild West. I can guarantee you over the course of the next several years you're going to be inundated. Your inbox, you're going to be getting information about how to cash in on this opportunity. This is the next big thing, if you will, in investing. If you roll back investing, think back 20 years, 25 years of the desktop computer and then the .com, all those opportunities that came and gone. Marijuana is the next one, but like we said, it's the Wild West. Big risk-reward opportunity, but you got to be very, very careful.
Well, are you saying it's the Wild West because they're out there, rolling marijuana in $100 bills right now, or
no,
what?
No. With the recreational marijuana side, there's really no industry yet. So there's a lot of ground floor opportunity with companies that really have no track record. They're trying to attract investors with promises of being able to do this and trying to do that, and it's really been taken advantage of by what we call the penny stock industry, where you invest in very, very teeny companies that have absolutely no history but a lot of promises. So you got to be very, very careful if you're going to look at recreational marijuana.
Well, let me ask you this, because okay, let's forget about recreational,
sure,
because we've got medical here. So is there a downside to investing in medical marijuana here in Florida?
Well, if you're going to invest, the only way to really invest is in somebody that's going to be growing this stuff, and most of the stuff right now is with somebody that owns a company that isn't looking necessarily for investors. So you can't get in unless it's your brother-in-law or some relative. And the other opportunity is to invest in pharmaceutical companies. Yeah. And that'll probably change as time goes on. But right now, there really is no opportunity for a big killing, if you will, of medical marijuana.
Gotcha. Hey, Joe, how do we get in touch with you if we
just Google me 2 words, Joe Bert, B-E-R-T.
Okay. Thank you, my friend. Bob. Appreciate it. All right.